It was on sale last week. Why was? Because it's past. How do we know that it's past? We have last week. It is on sale now. Why is? Because is present. How do we know it's present? We have now. It is or it was $50 last week. We have last week. Last week is past. Use was. It is or it was $15 now. We have now. Now is present. Use is. It is $15 now. It is or it was very expensive before. We have before. That's past. Use was. It was very expensive before. How about the last sentence? Would you please finish this for me in the comments? Thank you. I am or I was at work yesterday. Am is present. Was is past. Yesterday is past. I was. I was at work yesterday. I am or I was home now. Now is present. I am. I am home now. I am or I was tired last night. Last night. Past or present? Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Am, was, is, where, are. Am, is, are, present. Am goes with I. Is singular. Are is plural. Was and where are past. Was is singular. Where is plural. Nadia, usually home at this time. Usually, present. Nadia, singular, is. Nadia is usually home at this time. Nadia is usually home at this time. I, working 2 hours ago. Ago, past. I is singular. I was. I was working 2 hours ago. I was working 2 hours ago. I, working at the moment. At the moment is present. I am. I am working at the moment. I am working at the moment. They, here, yesterday. Yesterday is past. They is plural. They were. They were here yesterday. They were here yesterday. You, very intelligent. Present. Use you as plural. You are. You're very intelligent. You're very intelligent. My friends waiting for me yesterday. Yesterday is past. My friends is plural. Answer in the comments. Thank you. She not have an ID? We need a helping verb here. Do not. Do is a helping verb. But do goes with I, you, we, they, or plural nouns. She doesn't have an ID. Why? Because does goes with he, she, or it, She doesn't have an ID. He have a password. Make a negative sentence. Let me know in the comments. Where or where? They sound the same. Use where with an H to talk about location. Use where without an H as a past plural form of the verb to be. Where is my phone? I'm asking about location. Where is my phone? Where are my keys? Again, I need to know the location. Where? The questions were very interesting. This is not location. This is the past plural of be. The questions were very interesting. Were your friends happy? This is not about location. This is about the past plural of be. Were your friends happy? They were very happy. Past plural of be. They were very happy. I know where you are. I know your location. I know where you are. Now the last one is for you. Where were you yesterday? Please tell me in the comments. Thank you. Was or where? Use was and where to talk about the past. Use was for singular. Use where for plural. It was or it were late. It is singular. Was. It was late. They was or they were tired. They is plural. Were. They were tired. You was or you were watching videos on TikTok. You is always where, even if it's one person. Where. You were watching videos on TikTok. I was or I were hungry. I is singular. Was. I was hungry. We was or we were sleepy. We is plural. Were. We were sleepy. She is singular. Was. She was sleeping already. He. Help me finish this one in the comments. Thank you. Use was to express the positive. Use wasn't to express the negative. In the past, I was here alone. I was here alone. Matthew wasn't. Matthew wasn't here. Matthew wasn't here. Matthew was. Matthew was at home. Matthew was at home. He wasn't. He wasn't at work. He wasn't at work. He was. He was sleeping. He was sleeping. How about the last one? Can you finish this sentence for me in the comments? Thank you.